In this review, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about HairMax Density Shampoo. This shampoo claims to be formulated to promote hair growth and strengthen hair strands. It's specifically designed for people experiencing hair thinning or scalp issues. The shampoo contains a blend of ingredients that aim to nourish and stimulate the scalp while revitalizing hair follicles. I started using the shampoo after noticing my hair wasn't as thick as it used to be. After a few weeks of use, I observed some minor improvements in the volume of my hair. However, I didn't notice significant hair growth, though my scalp felt cleaner and less irritated. It's important to note that results might vary depending on your hair type and the severity of hair thinning. The shampoo has a mild scent, which is a nice touch. It's not overpowering, and it leaves my scalp feeling refreshed after each wash. The consistency is slightly thicker than regular shampoos, which gives it a more luxurious feel when massaging it into the scalp. What I like about the product is its gentle formula. It didn't cause any irritation or dryness, which can sometimes be an issue with hair care products. The bottle is sleek and easy to use, and it provides a good lather with just a small amount. For those with sensitive scalps or those looking for a more natural approach to hair care, HairMax Density Shampoo might be a solid choice. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. However, when it comes to hair regrowth, I wasn't completely blown away by the results. If you're expecting a miracle product that will quickly solve hair thinning issues, you might be disappointed. It might be more beneficial for maintaining healthy hair and promoting minor improvements over time. Overall, HairMax Density Shampoo is a decent product for those looking to support hair health and scalp care. It's not a miracle solution for everyone, but it may help if you're consistent with use. If you're struggling with more significant hair loss, it may be worth trying alongside other treatments. If you're interested in learning more about hair care and treatments, make sure to check out the useful links in the description. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this.